Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great grand old state. Great grand old state. You hear me? You hear me? Wow, 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 wow. You know what I'm saying? Snapped on some blackberries. You hear me? Man, oh man. I gotta tell y'all what happened to me today. Earlier today, tried to make a payment on my room. And as I was walking, I said, I felt like, started thinking like, started to look over to see what my biological father's car was. My biological father was a narcissist. And I said, man. So that's it, man. And I'm like, nah, I didn't want to look. So I'm like, whatever. I just kept walking. And I was like, I kept walking. And I go around the way I did. And as I'm going past, I see past the laundry room. The laundry room in order to walk to the front. And I see somebody there with a mask on. And I see it's him. And he sees me. And he's looking. And I can see through his eyes, he's looking. Whole time didn't break. It's like, he looking at me like that. And I'm just like, and I see it through his eyes. I was like, it was a desperation. It was a strong look. Like I felt the energy in his eyes. It was like, it was something I know that, the narcissist wanted. It was like a creeper look. And I was just like, I just didn't like him. I said, I don't even want to be here no more. But I didn't want to be here. God, I did. God, I freaking did. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Because I really got to leave. I'm thinking about leaving this hotel because I saw him because, of course, I'm in the same building. Of course, I got different rooms now. But, like, I got to leave. I got to leave because I don't like seeing him like that. I'm just, we're getting our stuff in place so we can leave. And I was just thinking, bro, because I got to get this right. I really want to leave, bro. Like, I really should leave. That's what's been on my mind. And two, it's another thing, too, as far as, like, because I realized that, look, like, he realized, he sees that I'm powerful. He always knew that I was powerful. The narcissist always knew you're powerful, but it's like, you're on your own. You're like, they can't control you. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. On your own, they can't control you. Because the narcissist is extreme entitled. You know what I'm saying? I'm just thinking about all the stuff. Like, I was thinking about, too. I was trying to read my book, How to Be a 3% Man, with Corey Wayne. And it just came to my head because I knew I had to film. I probably should film today. That has happened. The Narcissistic. Saw the Narcissist today. Fucking bitch. Too many dang narcissists, man. And then I see an ex-coworker at the job. I don't know if they saw me, but it's like I saw it from a distance. And I was like, too many narcissists around here. And then there's one of that staff. And I'm just like, yeah, I probably should leave. Probably to get my stuff so I can leave. Because I said I was going to leave to get my stuff so I can get to another hotel. We'll see. We'll see how things work. But the thing is, I want something sent. I got something sent on my address, and it's with the Secretary of State. Well, Secretary of State, I might have to go to the courthouse. Because they said when I get my temporaries, I can just go. Because I don't really care about the plate because I'm going to end up getting a new plate when I go to another state. Okay. Because that's what I'm thinking about. That's what I'm thinking about right now. And I'm just tired of this stuff here. These motherfuckers came over here today. Bitch, because I tried to pay earlier. And then they were doing an audit on the computer, so I couldn't pay. So then the staff changed. And then they coming at my door like opening the door. Literally open the door like, hey, hello. Because sometimes I don't feel like answering. There's a bunch of negative energy. Like, bitch, I'm here. I didn't even say anything. I had the latch on. So the latch stopped and he didn't say anything. I'm like, bitch, I'm going to pay. Get the frick out of here, you bum-ass bitch. I always do it. Even biddings and stuff. Like, I'm just sick and tired of that stuff. Like, I'm going to say it's like that, this hotel. I know I need to get the frick out, but it's like, shoot. I just need to. I'm really thinking about leaving here. I'm just trying to think, like, cause the reason why I'm like here in this building is cause I think I was gonna have something sent here. You know, with the state, they gotta send it. It was like when I had insurance. It was like when I was trying to get insurance on my car. They said they gonna send it to whatever's on your ID, or you can get it held at the post office. You know, you come check with the post office when it's there, cause they'll hold your mail for a week. I think that's what I might do. I think that's what I might do. But yeah, a narcissist, they're most definitely see all the power, like, and see it, like, I don't want this stuff to come through. Like, how could a dead ass nigga look at me like that? You know, everything that you did was wrong, nigga. I ain't your friend. I ain't your amigo, nigga. I ain't your compadre, nigga. I don't smile with you. I don't talk with you. These bitches want to act like everything different out on the outside. Like this nigga, when I used to stay with him, he used to be like, he used to see me outside the room and I'd be at the front desk, and I act like I don't know him. He'll go there try to talk to me. Oh, you forgot your keys? I'm like, nigga, I ain't your friend. I walk in somewhere I be speaking to him. I ain't that nigga for you, boy. Who's you talking about? Bitch. Mm-hmm. Here's the deal. Um, I'm just thinking like, as far as to it, the narcissist, you know, thinking like, cause he said whatever happened, whatever, you can go counseling, but you got to get over that. How the frick is a nigga who caused that, watched it happen, allowed it to happen in the same house, so while he was doing it, or his wife is doing it, or his other intermediate siblings, or his mother-in-law, his sister-in-law, to do all of that, his brother-in-law gonna say that. They always tell you to get over it. Always tell you to get over it. Always tell you to get over it. But the narcissist never gets over it. The narcissist never gets over it. They bring up whatever they want to bring up in the past. Because they lose their steady living in the past. Always talking about, always trying to act like, oh, their life could have been this and that. If it wasn't for this, it was. Shut up. I got a bunch of excuses. You like a freaking loser when you end up like that, man. What is it about us? They hate our resilience. Look at all this, man. That male tried to beat you down. Tried to beat me down so freaking much psychologically. So many abusive tactics you guys have seen in the past. You guys seen. I've even expressed. Very abusive to my pet. You guys, he's actually here. You probably wouldn't even know he's so quiet. He's a good boy. So abusive. Just period. I'll show him actually. I was thinking about it, but hey, here he is. Hold on. I don't know if it showed him. Did it show him? I got it on selfie mode, so if it did, you might have to pause it. Yeah, but he said, you see him, he's quiet. Mm-hmm. Just stuff like that. Rather different. You know what I'm saying? But you know, different, better idea. I think it's just best to leave this building. That's the goal. But it's like, you know, they gotta send things. Yeah, list of your ID, the address and your ID. But then you want to call the post office, your local post office, and get the mail held. That's what I've been thinking about. But it's like, let's just do it. Let's just do it, because I don't want to get to a point where it's like somewhere else. And I'm trying to seek too, because like I said, we spending too much bread here. You know what I'm saying? Spending too much bread here. I see this here. And I think it's just time to go away from this coat, time to wear this big ass coat. Gotta have stuff so we can, you know, dip and choose, whatever. But I gotta get stuff from my vehicle too to fix up. Yeah. Here we go. But it's kind of like, what have you guys experienced with the narcissist? Like, what do you guys experience with the narcissist as far as, you know, coming to the realization, like, what you ever had to look in their eye, you seen that after when they know that you left, and they can't get you back because I'm not coming back, because this is somebody who said that, and this is somebody who was divorced. Well, I'm sorry, he's not divorced. He's separated from his wife, haven't seen her in years, hasn't been with her in years. But yet, when it comes to me leaving him, just leaving his room, 5 rooms down, 5 rooms down, 5 rooms or less down, he ends up calling her to try to get her to have me back in her life. Because that's how serious this narcissism is. They may act like they're separated. Oh, his wife. Oh, your mother. Motherfucker, that bitch you with. They always with that. The narcissists don't have friends. They'll turn to each other on a dime. The cult, like, you just leave them away. Just leave them. Just leave them, because they go turn on each other. They go turn on each other. You hear me? Frick that. Frick that all the freaking way. Look at that. He went to go contact her, call her, get her at my door. His secret's getting out. He's going to tell the truth. He's going to live the truth. He's going to tell us what we all did to him. He didn't go with the flow. No, the frick I didn't, bitch. And I am the truth. I am peace, love, and light, bitch. You want to know what to do with the truth? Y'all book a consultation with us. Info at healingthroughinspiration.com. Subject consultation. Send us an email. Or you can DM us on Instagram. At Healing Through Inspiration. Follow us if you're not following us already. We post it regular. Go ahead and check us out. Check out the links in the description. Hey, lockdown, like I said, it's lockdown. So these jobs, it's not going to be working. You need to start a business. You need to learn how to get a business. Take the business course in the description box. Check out the links in the description. Apparel, one-of-a-kind artwork. All available at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go ahead and check it out. Get you something. Support those that support you. Peace, love, and light. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Daily uploads.